Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the center line not showing in AutoCAD. Let's start. First, I will create a solid line here. And now I have to change this line to center line. Click here by layers and you will find the center line is not showing in the by layer drop-down box. Click others, click on load, and here you can select any lines as per your requirement. I will select here center line. OK and OK. Now select the line, click here, change to center line, but still the center line is not showing. You can see that we already select the center line, but it is not showing in the screen. The reason is that the scale of the center line is out of the limit. So we have to change the scale. Type line type scale LTS. Now existing scale is 1, so we have to make it 100. Press enter. Now you can see that center line is showing in AutoCAD. The reason is that the line length is too long. If I will check the length of the line, type list, select the object, enter, and here you can see that the line is around 40 meters long. That's why the center line was not showing previously. So you change the scale and then you can see the any line type in AutoCAD.